Welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, I'm pleased to have you here. Kindly hit the subscribe button to join the family. Thank you so much. So let's cook a very tantalizing jollof rice. So I blended and boiled fresh tomatoes, bell pepper, onions, garlic, and hot pepper. So let's prepare the sauce. Basically, I preheated my vegetable oil, added my chopped onions, then put in all my tomato mix. So add curry, nutmeg, salt. I'll also add my chicken seasoning cubes. I'll stir and cover the pot and allow everything to cook properly. Now that the jollof sauce is ready, we're going to merge it with the rice. So I'll add some butter so that the rice will not get burnt. As soon as it melts, I'm going to merge the rice and sauce together. This is basmati rice. I didn't parboil it. I simply washed it with hot water. I'll add another chicken seasoning cubes. I'll stir and then I'll add the broth. Let's add some bay leaves for nice flavor. I'll cover right now and allow the rice to cook properly. The rice is getting ready. We're almost there. It's looking yummy. If you enjoy watching this video, kindly like, share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Our jollof rice is ready to be served. Isn't it looking beautiful? So tantalizing. Thanks for watching.